Hey everybody, welcome back to the Will of D. One Piece fans, we had a restock at our local Bondi store. They limit us out 12 per person, so me and my wife were able to get one box. Well, 24 packs. As always, I have my son here with me.
Hi guys.
He's gonna be helping us open these packs and hopefully help us to pull something good.
Jinbei and Absalom.
Electclaw, Mr. One, and the Egghead Don.
Kikunojo and X-Drake.
Flame Dragon Torch, Kikunojo,
Everwhite and Mr. 2.
Boa Hancock, and Perona. Alternate.
Perona and time for the counterattack.
Tashigi and Nami.
Arlong, Perona, and Dodon.
Jinbei, King.
This Captain.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
SP, Kid and Killer. Even I wanted the Sanjin, but this one's so nice too. Look at the partners.
Wow.
Nice. He was awesome. Shotgun Pell and Gecko Moria.
Sugar and Miss All Sunday.
Isho, Dr. Hogback.
Ground Death and Monette.
Arlong and Traffy SR.
Monkey D. Luffy and Ocean Current Shoulder Throw.
Silver's Rayleigh, Shotgun Pell.
For Fun and Rosinante Law.
Queen, Mr. 3.
King and Miss Valentine.
Zoro and Sugar.
Elliot Claw and Virgo.
Shanks and Kaido. We were able to pull another SP. Can you believe it, guys? Can you believe it, everyone? Great. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you liked the video.